Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you how you could do a really cool interactive page in your junk journal. I'm working in my fall journal for my fall Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge. If you are interested in this challenge, it's still going on. All the details will be down below in the description, as well as a link to my playlist of all the videos that I've done so far. And so for today, I wanted to show you how to make pretty simple little interactive little booklet, kind of like a 3D. It'll be a 3D pumpkin booklet that opens up when you open the page. And what you will need is a piece of paper. I dyed this using, well, I just painted it with my watercolors, an orange watercolor. So I have that, and then I have a printout of a pumpkin. I'll link the one that I'm using down below, but you can just draw your own pumpkin. And you can do this with pretty much any shape, but I'm using a pumpkin, of course, because of the theme of my book. And what you want to do is find 2 pages in your book that are pretty plain that you want to add some detail to. So I thought I would do the back of this envelope and this page here, because I wanted to add a little bit more interest to these pages. And so I'm going to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is cut out your pumpkin template. And then you're going to trace it onto your paper. Now, if you have a Cricut, you can do that as well. Or any like simple shaped metal die. And you can use a die cutting machine. But I just want mine a simple pumpkin. And I do have a Cricut that I use a lot, but I just wanted to show you how you could do this without any special equipment or anything. Now what we're going to do is trace this. I'm going to do it on the back and just trace this out as many as you can fit on the page and cut them out as well. And I think I'll probably be able to fit probably 6 on this page. And I'm going to test it out here too and see if I want more pages to my little 3D booklet. I did paint another page, so I can do that. So just trace them and then we'll cut them out. So hopefully you have decided to join in on my challenge. I have seen a couple different people post things and also let me know that they're joining the challenge. If you haven't, I've seen a bunch from Emily's Paper Caper, and I will have link her YouTube channel down below. And she's also over on Instagram, but she has posted lots of things that she is doing. She's making a Halloween themed journal, and she also made a fall one to start out, but most of her videos are Halloween themed and they're turning out really cute. So be sure to check out her channel. And as I said, my challenge is still going on. It will go through at least the first week of November, and then the second week I will be announcing the giveaway winner. And the challenge is just for you to make a book on your own using Dollar Tree products of any sort of fall themed that you like. Back to school, apple themed, fox themed, Halloween, general fall pumpkin, whatever it is that you found. Hopefully you have been able to find things and they're not, I know a lot of the fall stuff is going out right now, but, and you know, if you already have stuff in your stash that you've purchased before, that's fine too. But it's a very loose challenge, and just for the challenge, I just wanted you to post your processes, your haul videos, and then definitely the final final version of your journal that you've made over on Instagram, or you can do a YouTube video. But be sure to link me. You can tag me on your videos here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Just put in @CreativeCrafticality, and then you can also hashtag Fall Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, and I'll be looking at that hashtag as well to see who has posted items. And for every time that you post something, I will put your name in the challenge drawing. You know, you'll have an entry in for each time you post something, but you definitely need to post your final journal. And be sure to post it on your Instagram or whatever, and include a tag so that I'll be able to know that you did it and come over and see what you made. And then I will be featuring everybody that joined in on the challenge. I'm going to do, when I do the final video and the announcement of the giveaway winner, I will feature your project in that video. So yeah, I'm super excited. I really enjoyed doing this challenge. I've done it before in the past. I started doing the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge when Paper Terrace, formerly known as I'm a Cool Mom, she did one several years back, and I did mine a dog theme, and that was my first time ever making a junk journal. So I loved it, and then I've been hooked ever since. So okay, so now we have 6 pieces here, and now what we want to do is fold them in half. You're folding them with the actual printed side on here if you don't have a double-sided paper. And you don't have to have a double-sided paper for this, because that part's not going to show, the opposite side isn't. So we're folding them all in half. And then now what we want to do is glue all the sides together, leaving one open side, because the first side and the last side of our pumpkin is going to be glued onto the page. So now we just need to glue these sides together. Whatever glue you would like to use. This is a thin paper. It's just copy paper that I painted, so I am smoothing it out so it doesn't show any of the glue globby lines. And then for each fold, we're going to glue the next side, if that makes sense, of the next pumpkin. Glue that one. Try and get this lined up as much as possible here. I didn't get the bottom lined up very well. Okay, And we'll stick glue on one more side here. And then we just keep adding the pumpkins until we get to the last pumpkin, and that leftover side will be the side that gets glued onto the opposite page. And after I'm done gluing these together, I'm probably going to go in and kind of trim up my edges. And my last pumpkin here. And we have this little tiny pumpkin booklet. Now I'm going to take and trim these a little bit so my sides are even. All right, I realized that I just went through and trimmed this all and I wasn't in frame. So I just wanted to show you what I did. So I left the pumpkin little side piece the same on the first page, and then on the last page I left it the same as well. And then on the ones on the middle, I just kind of all made them the same there, so it didn't look funny with all the different edges. If you found a pumpkin or drew a pumpkin that had a straight up and down stem, that would be ideal, I think, if you didn't want to have to trim all that stuff. But I think this still turned out really cute. So now you have the two empty sides here, and this is the part that you want to glue down to the two sides of your book. So let me make sure I'm in frame, and I'm going to put glue on one side. Spread it around again with my finger. I got a little glop there. Look at that. And put that down here. And then I'll put glue on the other side. And you can make this as big as you would like within your book. If you had it on 2 full-size pages, you could totally do a big pumpkin or whatever shape that you want. And that would be cool. It just adds a bunch of extra pages. What I do suggest is that you do use a thinner paper, not a cardstock, because that would just add like too much thickness. So now I have all these little secret places that you can write notes in, stick little embellishments or whatever, stickers and things. And it just makes a really cute little interactive page. Isn't that? I think it turned out really cute. And when you look at it from above, it still has that shape of a pumpkin stem up there. But I love this. I think it's super cute. So hopefully you will try this in your journal. Just a simple little embellishment to a page. So if you want to join in on the challenge, there's still time. I would love to have you join in. Comment down below if you plan on doing it, and just keep working on it as you go. Post your videos or photos over on Instagram or here on YouTube, and tag me at Creative Crafticality so I know that you've joined in, and I'd love for you to do that. And so if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.